Hi there, Eric Miscoll with EMSNOW at the show floor at Electronica 2024. I'm with Khaled Daami. He's the CEO of Eleonetech. We met earlier this year in Tunisia when we were very gracious and let us in. We did a great tour. Tell us about Eleonetech and who they are.
Yeah, Eleonetech is a member of OneTech Group. Eleonetech is a EMS of OneTech Group. Eleonetech is the locomotive of OneTech Group. So we are an EMS company. We are more than 1,000 people in Tunisia. So we are doing design, co-design, of course, with some other sister company for OneTech Group. So we are certified EATF. So we are doing automotive. We are doing industrial activity. We are, of course, we have some IoT business. Customers trust us. Well, why? Because we have a lean company, Kaizen company, 4.0 company, and we are a part of OneTech Group. So OneTech Group, so we speak around 320 million euro in 2023. So we are more than 4,500 people between Tunisia and Morocco. So we are also working in automotive activity, industrial activity, IoT activity, wire harnesses, plastic, PCBA. So we can offer one-stop shop solution.
Right.
So if the customer needs just PCBA, we can offer PCBA. But if the customer needs the sub-assembled part or modules, so we can offer complete modules tested with high quality and high technology for our customers.
And people also know OneTech Group because of FUBA.
Yes, because the history of FUBA is a German company.
Yeah.
And since 30 years, FUBA is in Tunisia. Yeah, for sure.
That's the printed circuit board manufacturer.
Yes. And you know, FUBA is the only manufacturing company in North Africa doing PCB because it's really the high-tech technology.
Yeah.
There is no PCB manufacturer in North Africa.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Now, listen, you mentioned the automotive. You know, I hear from a lot of EMS that automotive has been hard business this last year. How's the business in Tunisia for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Why? Because we are on the positive trend of the growth. So we are more and more new business and the new customers. So when there is a decrease of the demand of the customer and you introduce new business and the new project, so you can't see this decrease of the demand.
Yeah.
So I think this is a one very positive point on our group. So I can give you one example for this year, 2024. We introduced 5 new European customers, the one Chinese customer. So it's very important. So when there is a decrease for automotive and we introduce new customers, new activity, new technology, you can ensure this growth for the future.
Yeah. So what is it about Tunisia that makes it so desirable and such a good location for EMS?
So, you know, if you speak with data, in Tunisia, we have more than 40 EMS companies. We have more than 150 SMT lines. We have more than 15,000 people working just for electronics. And here I speak just EMS.
Yeah.
But for sure, for EMS, there is some suppliers for solution, for machines, etc. And we are more than 300 companies. So that's why a big company like the Zonner, for example, was installed in Tunisia since 1 year and a half. It's very big company. Why they trust in Tunisia? Because we have, of course, nice weather, nice people, the right competence, and the right know-how.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know. Of course, and also we have the right culture. You visit us and we saw together the right culture, so we can speak many language.
Yes,
and we can serve many customers. I can take the example of OneTech. We are serving more than 50 countries between Africa, Europe, and America. So it's important, and this is the advantage of Tunisia.
Yeah.
I read the book for Aristos. They say that Carthage, the history 3,000 years before. Carthage is the source of democracy. Even it was the source of the democracy of Rome.
Yeah.
So this history of Carthage and today Tunisia, it's here because people and the know-how of people, the culture, the mindset of people is yet here.
Yeah. And I know that there's been more interest in Tunisia, probably because of the tour that we did. I'm just kidding. But we went out, we spoke, and we elevated, and we talked about it. And now when I go through the industry, I hear more people asking about Tunisia. Are you seeing that down there, more interest in the country?
Yes, yes. People are addressing more in Tunisia because mainly people that they have business, they have suppliers, they have customers, or they have visited us. They are more and more interested to invest in Tunisia. And we have many examples of tier one in Tunisia. They are investing more and more. We have new plants, and we have some other new company installed in Tunisia.
And to me, one of the great benefits was proximity too. You know, from here,
Yes,
you can fly to here to Tunisia in what, 2 hours?
that's big advantage for us, this proximity.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it absolutely worked.
And of course, there is some free trade agreement between Tunisia, Europe, between
Yeah.
Tunisia and Africa, Tunisia and America.
Yeah.
And also, this is an advantage for
Yeah.
Tunisia.
And like most countries this year, there's been an election there, and the election is over now, and things have settled down, and it's back to business.
We are a stable company,
Yeah, exactly right.
stable country,
Yeah, no, it's absolutely.
and safe. Very important, safe country too.
Yeah, no, that's important for,
Very
and that is a
important.
consideration in this world these days,
Yes,
right? So when here at Electronica, what is your message that you're bringing to the market? What are you?
But come invest in Tunisia.
Come now, right?
We have a very good country, very good people. We have the right mindset, the right culture,
Yeah,
very good weather, very good, nice people.
yeah.
So come visit us and invest in Tunisia.
Come invest in Tunisia. That's
Yes.
a good message. That's a
Yes.
good one. I was very impressed when we were down there with Eleonetech, and we spoke about that in a podcast we had done, Dita, Weiss, and I. Very impressive, very professional. And like you say, you also, not just the PCBA, you have that full services.
Yeah,
the
the
design-
one-stop shop,
Yeah,
the
the one,
one-stop solution. So
absolutely.
we can offer a complete solution for the customer, not only PCB, PCBA,
Yeah.
plastic or wire harnesses. They offer, it depends on the customer demand. We have this flexibility.
Yeah.
This the Tunisian flexibility is in one tech group too.
No, exactly right. And I like that you could, wherever you start, somebody may start with PCBA, but then they learn about more and trust you more, and they expand into more services. And it's a great model.
Yes.
Good. Well, thank you for doing this. Again, it's always good to reinforce Tunisia. It's on our radar now, and people are talking about it. So it's good to hear this, and I wish you nothing but success.
Thank you very much.